Okay, y'all, so I was starving. Went out to eat to Bucharest Grill, famous in Detroit for chicken shawarmas and stuff like that. Shawarmas. And some of the B-roll is a little crooked, you know. It may be flipped the wrong way, but that's okay because y'all understand me, okay? So let's roll.
Let me see.
Yo, this is ludicrous.
This is your girl Rihanna.
Mama, I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to make you cry, but tonight I'm cleaning out my closet.
I'm dropping, we the one. They the ones ducking when the heaters come. You that snitching on your people, huh? 21 Savage, aka.
Kayla, we're at Bucharest Grill, Bucharest, however you want to pronounce it, in Detroit, and they're famous for their chicken shawarma. Show them a little. Yes. So I like mine with a side of hummus. I'm about to get down. Kayla getting down already. Dang. At this point, I'm never gonna get to it because I have obstacles. I'm halfway done. Hummus. I was like really drunk when I had it with hummus, and it tasted really, really good. I'm not really getting the same reaction right now because you was drunk. We haven't eaten all day. We got name tags on. We pledged to volunteer to do people taxes of low income and disabled people for free. So while we were doing the good thing, we didn't get no food. We've been deprived since this morning. It's like 5 o'clock almost. Yep. 8 hours? Too long. I don't know. This one kind of tastes different. This one tastes like the other. What street is the other one on?
Michigan. What's the better one?
No, I think Michigan is better.
Yeah.
Oh hell no! This whole thing fell on the table. Kiss it up to God and it won't hurt.
Right, because I know I was going to eat it if you didn't.
I put this shirt in dirty clothes. I'm gonna start bringing bibs with me when I go out. You know, when I did the crab, eating the crab leg, I said that, you know, I don't like going on dates. Because I get it down. You know? Bring the food to my house or something.
Like food dates.
Yeah, food dates. I don't like food dates. Because I won't go back home looking the same. Never. It never works. The last time I went out on a food date, he asked me did I have a hole in my mouth.
That's embarrassing.
Did you know it was snowing today? You did?
Well, not today. I know it's gonna be snowing this week.
I haven't been looking at the weather.
Yeah, I heard on the weather it's gonna be icy. That's what I heard. It's gonna be icy today.
I don't like icy. All right. This is all I got left. You done? Damn. Only reason I'm eating the hummus is because I paid for it. And they just closed the one around the corner from the Tiger Stadium. Well, that one slack. That bitch was always slack.
That one was like the first one, right?
Yeah.
It was a bar in there.
It was a bar in there.
Yeah.
All right. We good to go.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys, so I thought I said bye at the end, but clearly I didn't. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share.